Hello my creative friends. I wanted to show you the bird and flower slow stitch kit. So these supplies can be used to make one of these darling little soft covered books. You can use it as a needle book, you can use it as your practice book for your embroidery stitches, and all of the little embellishments that you see here are available in my Etsy shop. The bird and the flower kit is one kit, slow stitch kit, and then the heart kit is another slow stitch kit. And you will receive all of the supplies that you see here, the vintage buttons, the pieces of fabric that you can use to cut out and make your bird and flower out of and use it for other embellishments. And then you will receive a variety of lace. And then you also receive one bird pattern, it already cut out for you with fabric and batting, and one flower pattern, same thing with its fabric and batting. And you can use these to make more out of the supplies. You'll also receive a cardboard flower, a cardboard bird pattern, and then you also receive the stick and stitch paper that has a peel-off backing, and you can use these for embroidery stitches. So this slow stitch kit has everything you need to learn embroidery, to do applique, and to make a beautiful slow stitch practice book. So it will also come with your foundation fabric in a 7 by 11.5 inch piece, and batting piece, an inside fabric backing, and one piece of felt, and then one piece of flannel. So that will give you 4 pages, and then you can just add to that if you want and put more pages inside your little practice book. So this is available in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine, and I hope you will swing by my shop and pick up a kit for you today.